Alright, this can be a problem because this lane is closed and I'm taking a right left turn as well. It's a bit tight there to get in, so Jesus, that's tight there. I know it's close, but it should be alright there actually. Alright, that's a tight one, but people have offloading and doing stuff like that, but we did get through it. Just checking I didn't take the fence off or anything like that. Welcome to Newport. Alright, this can be a problem because this lane is closed and I'm taking a right left turn as well. It's quite tight as well, so I'm gonna have to take it very tight around the corners, and it's a really small bridge as well. It's always traffic on it, but hopefully today we're gonna be all right going past it. It's such a small bridge as well, like most of the time it's like one person. At least I'm out of the traffic as well. Wait and tell behind you when you come out of here. And this is the place where we gotta be. How we do it. Okay. It's a bit tight there to get in, so I can't see what's in here. Jesus, that's tight there. It's coming out to the motorway as well. I know it's close, but it should be alright there actually. Alright. It's just such a tight one. Nah. Push to that side there. If I push to that side there, that should be alright. Alright, at least we messed up. Woo! Alright. Woo! Tight places to get in, but it's never too tight. We always get around it. So put my high best because we're going into the customers. So we better put this on and go and speak to them. Let's go and find out. I found that like it's very difficult to get through.
Oh, you turned right, did you?
Yeah, so I keep...
right, yeah. What they normally do, because it's so tight there.
Yeah.
If you go down.
Yes.
Keep going, go through the lights.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep going past the pub. You come like a big roundabout.
Yes.
What they normally do, they turn around that roundabout, then come back in this way.
Alright.
So like again, yeah, it's a bit of a tight.
No, it was. At least I know for next time now.
I bet
so
the sat nav took you here, did it?
Yes.
But that's why then, yeah.
Yeah, alright. Alright, you heard him say it's a tight one, but at least for next time we know where we actually going to and how to get in here. He said that that's not the best way, but we unloading now. It's going to be a light load, he said. Park up somewhere and then come back out. This place is a bit tight. It's a bit tight one. Alright. That's a tight one, but people have offloading and doing stuff like that, but we did get through it. Be tight on both sides, to be honest. Woo! It's another one as well. Oh god! Oh no, this is gonna be a nightmare because it's so tiny, this place to get in and out. Let's see how we do it, pal. Let's see. All right, I haven't got much room to play with, but he's going for it. Go on, lad. If I stray out a bit there, oof, nice lad. You see, that's a top driver there. All right, I'm here now. I just need to find out where am I gonna go. So the best option that I have right now is just parking and trying to go to the office, find out where the office is. I don't think it would be like anywhere crazy, but yeah, it's a bit tight as well. I think the best place to park would be there. Let me see how I can get straight to get in there. Too soon, I think. No! Let me see, that one is that far. The other one must be the same. That should be alright, that. Sit, yeah! very close to that trailer, but as long as we're in, that's all it matters. Starter, can I go any further back? No, otherwise I'd be pushing that fence back in, so I should be all right here, I guess. Just checking I didn't take the fence off or anything like that. I know I didn't, but I always like to double check. Look at that, people have done it, but I just always like to double check. It was difficult for me to get in here because this trailer, I didn't manage to get enough space, but this is the one that is really badly packed. Look at the way that one is, and look at how straight I'm in here. So at least I'm packed up. That's the main thing. So I'm gonna go to the office now, trying to get loaded as soon as, because I gotta get going. All right, the guy we're waiting for, he's getting out of the bay now basically, so I'm just gonna drive there and get in that bay and get stuff done. Right, time to move. So close, that, like, oof. Has so much space on this side, but because the trailer, like I said before, I like it, so difficult to get in, but we managed to get it. Well, let me just wait for them to come out. So we're basically going where that lad is. This coming out in that white truck. So the best thing I can do is just wait for him to come out of it, and then I'll be able to go through. You coming out? Well, bro. All right, he's moving out. Better go and try to park in there now. Let me see if it's gonna be suitable to get in with my doors closed. So I need to open it before I get in. Yeah, I'll be able to get in. Is it coming in? Is it coming out? No, it's going out. Let me see how I do this. Like, people have knocked that off. This is gonna test my skills now. This is gonna test my skills. I got an idea. Well, I just need to know how close the paperwork everywhere all times. I think I got a little bit of room to play around with that, to be honest. Oh, forklift driver, really? It's alright, man. I just wait for you to finish. Alright, here was gone. So, to jacket there. Should be alright there. Not an easy one to get in. Ah, man. I reverse now and just waiting out. See what is gonna happen, but I'm roasting on this. I think I'm gonna have to change in a second. It was like -10 this morning and now it's absolutely boiling. All right, it's time to get out of here. I just need to push forward and then go and close my door quickly. Yes, be able to get out of here. That should be all right there. Let's go and close this. Da-da-da-da. All right. Be all right there. All right, I got all the paperwork that I needed, so it's time to get out of here, so let's do it. That's very close, that. Even to get out of here, that's close, man. All right, I think we got a little bit of leverage there. I don't wonder why that's hit it. Woo! All right, all I gotta do now is just get to the door and then be able to get out of here. So I just done that, I just collected it, and I need to drive all the way to Liverpool now, and I need to be there ASAP. So that means quick as possible. The guy just needs to check my trailer that I have got this on, so I'm gonna have to stop here. Be back in a second. It's a nightmare to get out of here, so. All right, I got a postcode, and this is a quiet journey as well. We're doing 189 miles. I already done 200 and something this morning. So we're making all the way down from Cardiff or Newport or whatever, all the way to Liverpool. And that is quite a trek, that, but we're gonna make that happen. So let's do that. All right, I just got out of that place, and I'm driving towards Liverpool, as you know, there is where we're going. The problem is, guys, that it's gonna take me 4 hours to get there. That have to be there today. This load, no excuse, have to be there today. I know they'll be able to deliver it. But the only problem I have is Birmingham. Birmingham is the nightmare for truckers. So you get stuck there and that's it, you're going absolutely nowhere. It's 2 o'clock already, so I think if I get to Birmingham before 5 o'clock, I'll be alright. Other than that, it's a completely fail. And guess who's stuck in Birmingham right now? Yeah, me. And I'm not gonna get out of here anytime soon. So the latest saying on the map now, there is between 20 to 30 minutes. I got 2 hours drive still. This is not looking good. I'm not gonna make it there because the traffic, the amount of traffic I can see on the sun now right now is so red. It's so like red, the red as it gets. This is bad. This is the bad one. It's slowly moving. We're just coming off the M5 in 6 miles. Well, yeah, that's 6 miles to go to the N6. We absolutely not gonna make it to the end of Birmingham in 20 minutes, like it says. It's gonna take longer than that, so hope for the best. I'll be back in a sec. Let's see what we come against them. Past this, I'm gonna go to the other side. As soon as I get to the other side, I'll let you know how long it took me to get there. It is 16:30 right now, so let's see how long it takes me to get to the other side. This is gonna be a good test, a good experiment. So I know, and you all know. So I told you before 5 o'clock is a no. Quick one. Managed to get out of traffic and I'm best ever station, which is actually not Hilton Park right now, just after Birmingham. I needed to stop for a 45. I'm actually not gonna make it to Liverpool, I don't think so. I need to make the math up. I'm gonna get in the service is gonna restock and stuff, so let's see what we can do and pray for the best.